Here's a 2000 GMC Sierra SLT Crew Cab 4x4 at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actually, originally a North Dakota truck. A little over 137,000 is all in this one. Pewter metallic, 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a automatic with overdrive, what, 4L80E automatic transmission. Let's take a look at the chrome up front, grille, headlight surrounds, chrome in the bumper, good shape. Also nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. You can see the paint also shows well on the hood. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on ultra polished wheels, Hankook radials. Some nice tread left on those. Laverne Nerf bars. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see this truck's really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. And as far as corrosion on those lower rockers, check it out. This thing's in nice shape. And you'll also be able to see the underside in the still pictures. Take your time looking at those. You can also see that the side glass is tinted. Know your local and state laws as far as the tint goes. Bed rails, access, soft access cover or tonneau cover. It's a roll-up variety. It also has a rubber bed mat in it. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. Also nice shape. Of course, the tow package does have electric brakes already on the truck for you. Plan to do any towing with it. All set up. And once again, take your time looking through those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like trucks, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. We'll have any trucks from the 30s and 40s all the way up to late models. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. As we take a look up and down the driver's side, once again, you can see paint's in nice shape, has a nice shine to it. Those lower rockers, not full of corrosion. Truck's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Hey, it's a 2000, a little over 137,000 on it. I understand there may be a little nick here or there, but overall, this thing shows well. Take your time looking through those still pics. All right, let's take a look at the rear seating surfaces first off. Of course, the SLT is going to be your more equipped model as far as a little more luxurious with the leather appointed seats, front and rear fold down armrest, headliner, interior looking good. That rear seating surface doesn't look like it's been used a whole lot. Doors close nicely. How about the front? Of course, your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You can see door panels, nice shape. Power seat over here on the driver's side, as well as lumbar, leather, also still in pretty darn nice shape. Bucket seats, fold down armrests, center console, of course tilt column, cruise control. Exact miles 137,039. Let's go ahead and start it up. Again, 5.7 liter V8, automatic with overdrive trans, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that on. Just your daytime running lamp up there. And the seatbelt indicator telling me to put my seat belts on. This is one of those that are kind of between CD and cassette, so it has both AM, FM, cassette, CD. 3/4 tons did not have the side airbag in 2000 on the passenger side yet. And as far as the dash, there is a dash pad on here. It's not covering anything up. That is just basically protecting it from UV light, so the dash is in nice shape. It does come with the dash cover, dash pad. overhead console. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Sounds like it may have a little aftermarket exhaust. Check those underside picks. Sounds good, nothing crazy over the top as far as exhaust goes. Let me go ahead and pause this a second. I want to get this hood popped. Check out that engine bay. We'll wrap up this walk around video. Stick around to the very end though. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, hood pop. Hopefully you can see that with the glare. Sorry about that from the light, but hood liner, very clean. This thing doesn't look like it's been really driven in much for inclement weather. And there it is. Do have a K&N cold air intake added, as you can see. It's like a newer interstate battery. Nice setup underneath there. Clean, tidy engine bay and a tried and true power plant. These are getting tougher and tougher to find in this kind of shape. You know what they usually look like as far as salt and road grime condition. It's a nice one, folks. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. 2000 GMC Sierra SLT Crew Cab 4x4. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2000 GMC 2500 pickup truck. A very, very nice condition truck. Really amazed at the amount of miles on this because it does not feel like it or look like it. Really nice interior, the exterior paint in great condition. Just testing out the AC, that is blowing cold. Factory stereo works great. I have not tested out the cassette, but the FM is working great. Leather bucket seats in this truck. This is a crew cab with full-size doors in the rear. Great for hauling more people around in more comfort. Center storage compartments. The brakes are nice and smooth as they should be. Power steering working very well, super easy to steer. This truck stays flat in the corners. They did good sway bars on these trucks, which keeps it nice and level in the corners. A little bit of rumble coming out that tailpipe, though it is probably the stock sound, it sounds good. Just can't get over the condition. Inside, the headliner's great too. Our oil pressure is showing 45. Fuel gauge working as it should, just under half tank. The battery's charging over 14. The temperature's about 180, and our tachometer and speedometer are working as they should. Under that protective dash pad is a near perfect dash. Take a look at all the pictures and find out more about this truck at UniqueClassicCars.com.